Sir, we can start now.
Well, we still think 12 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. This is Sanjeev Goenka. In view of the pandemic-related situation, we are holding this AGM by video conferencing. The quorum is present. I declare the 59th AGM open and welcome all of you to this annual general meeting. All directors are present. In case there is any connectivity problem for me at any point, as per decision of our board of directors, Mr. Kaushik Roy, Managing Director, or failing him, Mr. Paras Chowdhury, Non-Executive Independent Director, will conduct rest of the proceedings. Before I address you and before I take up the formal items on the agenda, I'll request our company secretary to brief you about some basic rules pertaining to the AGM. Kaushik?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, and good morning, everyone. As you are aware, remote e-voting facility by the members have concluded yesterday at 5 p.m. Members who have not cast their votes yet electronically and who are participating in this meeting will have an opportunity to cast their votes during the meeting through the e-voting system provided by NSDL. And the said facility will continue to be available for the next 30 minutes post conclusion of the meeting. In this meeting, there will be no voting by show of hands and there will not be any proposer seconder for the resolutions. No result will be declared at the meeting. The board of directors have appointed Mr. Anjan Kumar Roy, practicing company secretary, membership number FCS 5684, as a scrutinizer to supervise the e-voting process, and he has joined the meeting. Also, Mr. Kamal Agarwal has joined the meeting as a representative of statutory auditors, Mrs. S.R. Batliboy and Company LLP. The company has received requests from some members to pre-register themselves as speakers at the meeting. Accordingly, they will be invited to ask questions or express their views when their names are called up, after all the 4 AGM resolutions are taken up. Members are requested to keep their questions, suggestions brief. Thank you very much, and I now request Chairman, sir, to take us through the further proceedings of the meeting. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kaushik. As the notice is already circulated to all the members, I take the notice convening the meeting as read. This is a special year for us as a company. It's a diamond jubilee year. The company was incorporated in 1960. It was incorporated with the concept of import substitution, which today we call Atmanirbhar. We started with 14,000 tons, and today we are at 5,71,000 tons. 4 plants strategically located across regions and 76 megawatts of green power. We have a state-of-the-art research and development center at Palej, which was set up in 2018. We have set up an innovation center in Belgium, Europe this year. We started on a retransformation, reinvention journey a few years ago with a very special focus on value-added products, specialty blacks, research, innovation, presence in international markets with significant international customers, and earning the right to grow, which to my mind means being the most operationally efficient company across all parameters. At the company age of 60, I'm proud to say that our average age of employees is 30. We are agile, we are vibrant. We are as affected by the pandemic as any other company is. However, the last 2 months have been much better than the first 2 months of the pandemic affected period. And today, PCBL is the most preferred supplier to many customers. It is our endeavor to be so to all customers national and international. We embark upon a different journey, and a journey which is sustainable, which is environment friendly, which is efficient. With that, I come to the formal items on the agenda. Item number 1 of the notice pertains to the adoption of accounts and report. I place the resolution. Resolved that the audited financial statements of the company for the year 31st March 2020 and the consolidated audited financial statements for the year ended on that date, together with the reports of the Board of Directors and the auditors thereon, be and are hereby approved and adopted. Item number 2 of the notice pertains to the confirmation of interim dividend. The resolution reads, resolved that an interim dividend of 350%, that is rupees 7 per equity share of rupees 2 each, including a special dividend of 175% on the occasion of the Diamond Jubilee year of the company, already paid for the financial year ended 31st March 2020, be and is hereby confirmed. Since the next item pertains to my reappointment, I will request Kaushik Roy, Managing Director, to take up item number 3 of the notice.
Good morning, everyone. Item number 3 of the notice, ordinary resolution, reappointment of Dr. Sanjeev Goenka as a non-executive director. Resolved that Dr. Sanjeev Goenka, holding DIN number 000074796, who retires by rotation at this meeting and being eligible for reappointment, be and is hereby reappointed as non-executive director of the company. I now request the chairman to take it over again.
Thank you, Kaushik. Item number 4 of the notice pertains to the ratification of remuneration of MS Shom and Banerjee, cost auditors of the company. I refer to item number 4 of the notice and move the ordinary resolution for ratification of remuneration of MS Shom and Banerjee, cost auditors of the company. I will now go to the speakers who have pre-registered themselves in the order that they have been registered. Mr. Anindya Kundu. Mr. Kundu is not there?
Sir, hello.
Mr. Kundu, you're there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr. Kundu.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
It's nice to see you again this year, but the situation is different, so we meet in a virtual way this year. And sir, I've made a few points for this. Firstly, I'd like to congratulate the board of directors and everybody present in this company who is doing the best to maintain this performance since the last 2 years, and the graph of the company is definitely going up. So we do have a faith in this transition which is happening, and we can see its results. After studying a little bit and going through a few earlier reports, it is one of the best performance which has come up in this year. Almost the last 2 years is going very, very good. And if the pandemic situation has not arrived or occurred, then it would have been one of the best this year again. But I'd like to ask a few questions regarding this. Our Prime Minister has already told that we had to make things in India and stop importing from our neighboring countries, and so that our economic development can happen at a more speedy way. So what our company is doing to follow it, and the imports that is happening from China, is there any way out so that we can minimize that situation? And increase our sales to those who are importing from the neighboring countries. Then I'd like to congratulate our MD sir, who has got this business leader award from Economic Times this year. I've seen it in the reports, and it's very nice to see that we getting such a award from this kind of a platform. Next is that it is very nice to see that what our company has done in the COVID situation. I have opened up the annual report in front of me, and in page number 14 and 15, I come to see that what the steps that our company has taken during the COVID times and all, with this three pictures given up, so we can be ensure that how the health conditions of our workers over there, or the employees over there. I have a few suggestions that I'd like to make, sir. In the website, while seeing it, the production and the page of production plans, the details are till 2018. The production capacity, all these things are till 2018. So I'd like to request you to please update this because it's already mid of 2020 and the production details are there in till 2018 because the website in this today's situation, everybody is going to the websites and all. So it would be better if that can be taken care of. Similar in the chairman message, that page in the website, the chairman message is from annual report 2018 and 19. If that could be updated also, so we could have seen that, would have been better. Another is that milestone, the milestone that our company has achieved is given till 2018. So if these updates can be done, so it would have been very, very, very helpful and effective. And so I'd like to also say that the annual report this year is very, very informative because we have seen our product portfolio, the details, everything, our client details, which product is used for which purpose, and all everything is there. So it's very helpful to see, and we hope that next year, as you have already mentioned in your speech, that that past 2 months was better than the previous month of the situation when the COVID situation started. So we hope to see that this year we make up the drawbacks that we have left over, and we'll able to fulfill that gap and increase our volume and all. Okay, sir. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kundu. Mr. Pannalal Giriya. Mr. Giriya.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Mr. Giriya, Pannalal ji.
हाँ जी, नमस्कार सर, पन्नालाल गिरिया।
नमस्कार, कैसे
मेरी
हो?
आवाज आ रही है सर? सर अच्छे हैं और बहुत बहुत बधाई कि मेरे को आपने इनवाइट किया इस मीटिंग के अंदर में, और मेरा तो कंपनी के साथ में 25 ईयर से मैं कंपनी एजीएम अटेंड कर रहा हूँ, और मेरा कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है। आप आगे बढ़ते जाइए, हमारे एमडी को जो जिम्मेदारी दी आपने वो जिम्मेदारी बहुत अच्छी तरह से निभा रहे हैं, और आगे भी आशा करते हैं कि एक बहुत बड़े रिजल्ट के साथ में फिर 2021 में ये डायरेक्ट वहां हॉल में आपसे मुलाकात होगी। आपने मेरे को यहाँ बुलाया बहुत कुछ, और मेरा तो 25 ईयर्स, और सर आपका जो मैनेजमेंट है ये काबिल पे तारीफ है। आज एक जॉइंट फैमिली को चलाना मुश्किल होता है, आपने तो 4 कंपनी 4 प्लांटों को चला रहे हैं, 4 स्टेट लोकलेशन में चला रहे हैं, एक दिन का लेबर प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है, एक दिन का नहीं, इसलिए आपका मैनेजमेंट बधाई का पात्र है। और हम लोग आशा करते हैं कि 2021 की बैलेंस शीट इससे बढ़िया बैलेंस शीट के साथ से आपसे मिले।
थैंक यू। मिस्टर उज्जवल चक्रवर्ती।
Morning.
Mr.
Hello.
Chakraborty.
Hello. Hello. Can you hearing?
Yes, Mr. Chakraborty.
Yes. Morning, sir. Good morning. Very, very
Good morning.
nice. Good morning, sir. Respected Chairman and Board of Directors. Myself, Ujjwal Chakraborty, shareholder of PCBL. This is a very remarkable year of PCBL, Diamond Jubilee year. The company is not only fought preciously in the highly competitive market, but also give us brilliant performance on the 60th year with the support of all the team members of the company. That is given excellent dividend, 50% of health. That on the 60th year, we address you as Dr. Sanjeev Goenka. It is a great pride for us. Please update us on the future plans of PCBL, how it is coping with the pandemic. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Tamal Mazumdar. Mr. Tamal Mazumdar.
Are you hearing, sir?
Yes, yes. We can hear you. We can't see you though.
Okay. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Is it okay?
Yes, yes, yes.
Good morning, Dr. Goenka. Good morning. Mr. Shashat and Mr. Kaushik Rai and other directors of the company. Myself, Tamal Kumar Mazumdar. Sir, we are very happy that during the year, financial year 20, our beloved chairman also scored a hat trick. A hat trick of laurels, honorary degree of Doctor of Philosophy from 3 leading reputed institutions. Taking cue from your statement, Chairman Sir, I also strongly believe that it is actually a recognition of our group's efforts in the last few years at having reinvented itself, at having changed itself under your able leadership. Sir, it's a proud moment for us. Thank you, Dr. Goenka, for such. The company sales, PBT and PAT decreased in comparison to financial year 19. But if we consider the impact of COVID-19 pandemic in Q4 of financial year 20, dismal performance of auto sector, tire industry, then the management must be complimented for the current year's results. Would you please share with us your expectation from the remaining part of the year? Because you already said the last 2 months was very encouraging for our company. And what about our capacity utilization, sir? Whether it is in the near normal? And sir, despite COVID pandemic, our production during financial year 20 remained nearly same. That is at 4,08,000 metric tons against last year's figure of 4,11,000 metric tons. But revenue from our carbon black fell by 8% on year basis during financial year 20. And if we consider the geographic segment, then we may notice that in case of India, revenue decreased by 12% on year basis from rupees 2,685 crores in financial year 19 to 2,370 crores during financial year 20. But in case of revenue from other countries, it increased by 4% on year basis to 852 crores. Share of revenue mix of our company between export and normal is 72:28%. Sir, main reason for the decrease in revenue as it appears was decline in realizations, which was partly offset by lower cost and of raw materials like coal, decrease in fuel and other input costs. What is the current scenario now in this regard? Sir, during the financial year 20, export turnover of 850 crores was 26% of sale of products on standalone basis in comparison to last year's figure of 23.5%. The company management mentioned in page 163 that global demand is expected to remain sluggish in financial year 21 compared to financial year 20. Taking into consideration a major portion of the first quarter showed shutdown, projected decline in automobile sector, dispute with China, what is our game plan for export in financial year 21? What are the countries where we want to export during the current year? Sir, one of the reasons for increase in our finance cost of by 24% on year-on-year basis was due to consideration of interest on liabilities, lease liabilities, as per accounting standard 116. And sir, our debt turnover ratio was 70 in financial year 20 in comparison to 61 in financial year 20. With the good finance CFO in position, I think it will be corrected during the current year. And sir, statutory auditor put the matter of impact of COVID pandemic under emphasis of matter. As the situation in India is worsening further due to COVID-19 pandemic, would you please share your current thinking in this regard? And for your ready reference, I want to mention here that Reliance Industries Limited provided under exceptional items of rupees 4,248 crores, net of taxes of 899 crores during financial year 920, considering demand destruction due to COVID-19 pandemic. And I am totally agree with your statement in the letter that tough time bring about the best in prudentially managed company, and strongly believe that the management under your excellence proven leadership will be able to cope with this menace successfully. And sir, nice to note that the brownfield specialty lines of 32,000 metric ton is progressing satisfactorily and expected to be commissioned by the end of financial year 21. Our balance sheet as on 31st March showed a capital work in progress of rupees 306 crores. I hope it relates to this project. Sir, our company paid 350% interim dividend during the year, which is really praiseworthy in this gloomy scenario, where the Reserve Bank of India and Insurance Regulatory Authority of India instructed banks and insurance companies not to pay any dividend for financial year 20 in order to conserve cash. The company used to give both regular dividend and increase in the value of its equity shares to its shareholders. Your leadership must be complimented for taking the company into greater heights and investing in its unique projects during slowdown also, which will ultimately benefit its shareholders immensely in the long run. And sir, despite the general dividend declared during financial year 20, the company has a general reserve balance of 73 crores, in addition to securities premium balance of 224 crores, and massive retained earning balance of 1,282 crores against the equity base of only 35 crores. As on 31st March, the company is in the strong footing, and I believe it will remain one of the leading company under our group. And lastly, my special thanks to our company secretary, Mr. Kaushik Mukherjee, and his team consists of Devesh Mahanti and others for keeping in touch with shareholders and helping me to join today's virtual meeting and also to take part in the deliberations. Thank you, Mr.
Thank
Chairman.
you, Kamal Babu. Mr. Ghatani? Yes, Mr. Ghatani.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सर आपको साल भर बाद देख के आपसे मिलके।
आपने दाढ़ी बढ़ा ली?
हाँ सर, वो दाढ़ी बनाने गया ही नहीं। कौन कोविड में आपके पास तो एकदम लग्जरी टीम आता होगा दाढ़ी में, वो पूछने वाला था कि आप इतने अच्छे लग रहे हो, और हम तो जब तक कोविड खत्म होगा नहीं अपना गाल और किसी को देंगे ही नहीं सर। पता नहीं कहाँ से क्या आ जाए, और अभी तो इतना फैल रहा है सर। आपसे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सर बात करके। यू आर ए पावरफुल पर्सन, रिचेस्ट पर्सन। अब फुटबॉल टीम भी आपका 80 के सर, आप ऑनरेबल कंसल जनरल हो कनाडा के, और आप बहुत अच्छा चैरिटी करते हो, जो सबसे पॉजिटिव आपका लगता है सर। मिस्टर कौशिक रॉय सर को तो आपसे और कौशिक रॉय सर से लास्ट ईयर में बहुत डिस्कस किया था, डायमंड हार्बर रोड में फोटो वगैरह भी लिए थे। कौशिक रॉय सर ने तो बहुत अद्भुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस दिया है। थैंक यू मिस्टर कौशिक रॉय, आपने अभी तक मेरे को चाय पे नहीं बुलाया, आपने बोला था चेयर लाइन पे बुलाओगे। और डिपार्टमेंट अंडर मिस्टर कौशिक मुखर्जी हैज डन ए एक्सेलेंट जॉब सर। ये ऑनलाइन लाने के लिए उनके ऑफिस से अनीता मैम, संगीता मैम, देवेश मोहिंती सर रेगुलर टच में थे। कल रात में 8 साढ़े 8 बजे भी मेल किया कि आप 5th नंबर हो, आज सुबह भी कॉल किया। थैंक यू एवरीवन सर। अपना डायमंड जुबली है 1960 से 2020 हो गया सर। बहुत अच्छा टाइम बीता। लास्ट 2015 वगैरह में थोड़ा सा माइनस था, अदरवाइज लास्ट 5 साल बहुत सुपर डुपर है सर। वी आर द नंबर 1 एक्सपोर्टर इन इंडिया ऑफ कार्बन ब्लैक सर। नाउ कमिंग टू द अकाउंट्स पॉइंट, बीइंग ए चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, थोड़ा बहुत तो मैंने हालांकि मुखर्जी से कौशिकदा को भेजा था, फिर भी मेरे को बहुत सारे पॉजिटिव मिले सर। एक PCBL नंबर 1 एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ कार्बन विद प्रेजेंस ओवर 40 कंट्रीज सर। नंबर 2 में कंपनी रेवेन्यू 3243 है 3528 की जगह, लेकिन मैं बहुत ज्यादा खुश हूँ। ग्लोबल पैंडेमिक में भी आपने इतना सुपर डुपर रिजल्ट किया सर। आपने एक 7 रुपए का डिविडेंड दिया, स्पेशल डिविडेंड ऑन 60 years। आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी सर। आपने अपना कंपनी ने 11.82 करोड़ CSR में दिया, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ सर। कुछ कोविड और कुछ गरीब बच्चों को भी देखिएगा सर जो पढ़ नहीं पा रहे। सेंट जेवियर्स कॉलेज में आप भी पढ़े हो, मैं भी पढ़ा हूँ, मेरे बच्चे लोग भी पढ़े हैं। वहाँ लेडीज लोग का, लड़की लोग का 10,000 रुपया फीस है सर। लड़कों का सुबह 2,000 रुपया महीना है और लड़की लोग का 10,000 रुपया महीना है। कोई दे ही नहीं पा रहा, इतना ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट है। इसमें आप काइंडली देखिए, मैं भी वहाँ हूँ, आप तो वहाँ गवर्निंग कमेटी में हो सर। 10,000 रुपया फीस और 2,000 फीस। ब्रिलियंट लड़की लोग जा ही नहीं रहे, वो लोग जेडी बिरला, शिक्षा रतन और कहीं जा रहे हैं। आपका वहाँ चलती है फादर वगैरह, फादर तो खैर मेरे को भी जानते हैं, डोमिनिक सेवियर या जो भी। हाँ, आपने R&D के लिए 40.77 करोड़ किया, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ सर। अपना इतना सारा एक्सपेंशन हुआ लेकिन बैंक का लोन कमा, ये बहुत ज्यादा खुशी का कारण है मेरा। इंटरेस्ट आपने इतना बचाया, हाउ यू आर मैनेजिंग इट सर आई डोंट नो, बट बहुत अच्छे। आपके CSC में भी 4 दिन बाद आपकी उसकी भी तारीफ करूंगा, जिसमें आपने वेव किया अप्रैल और मई का। अभी FII का भी इंटरेस्ट आपने जागा है सर, 1.7% होल्डिंग बढ़ा है, 12.01% अभी है FII का। अपना कैश एंड कैश इक्विवेलेंट सुपर है सर, 10797.23 लाख, मतलब एकदम कैश रिच है। कोई भी बम्बार्डिंग कर दे, कोई भी बैंक का नोटिस आ जाए, अपने को कोई डर नहीं है ना कोई और बड़े बड़े। मेरा एक कंसर्न है सर, अपने स्टैट्यूटरी ड्यूज 94.31 करोड़ से, उसको आप ख्याल रखिएगा सर, वो फ्यूचर में कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं करे। आपका जून क्वार्टर के लिए आपको अभी से बहुत अच्छा विश करता हूं सर, और नेक्स्ट ईयर आपसे मिलूंगा सर, और अभी 4-5 दिन तो खैर CSC में मिलूंगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
Thank you. Mr. Madhusudan De. Mr. De.
हाँ জানো ওই বললো হ্যালো
Hi, Mr. De.
জানো মধুসূদন দেব, হ্যাঁ মধুসূদন দেব, হ্যালো শুনতে পাচ্ছেন?
হ্যাঁ শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
মধুসূদন দে শুনতে পাচ্ছেন?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ বলুন।
বল।
শুনতে পাচ্ছি না, তুমি তো না শুনতে পাচ্ছ না, আমি তো কিছু শুনতে পাচ্ছি না, এটা থাকলে আমি কি করে শুনবো? হ্যালো
Mr. De,
Am I
আমরা
audible
শুনতে
to
পাচ্ছি।
you?
Mr.
Okay,
De, আমরা শুনতে
okay,
পাচ্ছি।
okay.
Please start. Please go ahead.
ইয়া ওকে, শুনছে সবাই তোমার কথা, বলো, বলতে থাকো সবাই।
বলুন বলুন মিস্টার দে বলুন।
বলুন মিস্টার দে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ বলছি, গুড মর্নিং এভরিবডি। আমাকে এখানে বলার জন্য সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ জানাই। স্যার আপনাকে কনগ্রেচুলেশন, আই কনগ্রেচুলেট দ্য বোর্ড অফ ডিরেক্টর ফর দ্য ফ্যান্টাস্টিক পারফরমেন্স, highest dividend this year, I am very much proud that good responsibility corporate citizen as a contribute 10 crores in the Corona Fund. Nothing to enable to say important that we call to the nation, we also the salute of our frontline personnel. We have worked during day and night in the lockdown period. We are proud of you. We wish you a good and health and safe. Chairman sir, we want to know from you about your Belgium Innovation Center. স্যার, আপনার সঙ্গে দেখা হয়নি অনেকদিন। এই এইসব চলে যাবার পর আপনার সঙ্গে আমি দেখা করব। আপনি আশা করি ভালো থাকবেন, আরো ভালো থাকবেন, এবং আপনার কোম্পানি যে আমাদের কোম্পানি যে এত ভালো রেজাল্ট করেছে তার জন্যে আমি ধন্যবাদ দিচ্ছি আপনাকে এবং আমাদের ম্যানেজিং ডাইরেক্টর মিস্টার কৌশিক রায়কে, এবং আমার সঙ্গে সবসময় সহযোগিতা করেছেন মিস্টার কৌশিক মুখার্জি, আমাদের কোম্পানির সেক্রেটারি, এবং তার জন্য আমি সবাইকে আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি। নমস্কার স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ।
Thank you, Mr. Day. Mr. Manoj
Yes.
Gupta?
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Mr. Gupta, we can hear you.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How are you, sir?
We are well.
Chaliye, I pray Almighty for your prosperous, safe life to all
Thank-
you and your all directors.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, Mr.
Hello.
Gupta.
Thanks to our MD and his team for excellent result of the company, sir. And thanks to the company secretary and his team for good services to all the investors. And sir, I congratulate you and your team and this MD for excellent dividend on the eve of 60 years of the company. An interim dividend of 350%. And sir, what are you doing for the epidemic COVID-19 for this city of joy? Because our corporate headquarters is in Calcutta. Do something for Calcutta under the CSR from the company. And sir, I have some questions, but I will not take your so much time. I will discuss with the company secretary later on, or I will send him mail to respond my queries on the accounts. And sir, thanks to you to fulfill the vision of our beloved Prime Minister for Atmanirbhar Bharat by your company. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Gupta. Mr. Kundu?
Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
Mr. Kundu, we can hear you.
Yes. Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
Mr. Kundu.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. Respected Mr. Chairman, Mr. Sanjeev Goenka, members of the board, fellow online shareholders and friends, I am B.N. Kundu. At the outset, I would like to thank the management for steady progress of the company year after year. According to soft copy, the report presented to us has been very nicely prepared with exhaustive details, and I have nothing further to say on it. We, the shareholders, are very happy to see that you have already paid very good dividend, that is 7 rupees per share, that is 350%, including special dividend 175%. I should say that your face value of rupees 2 per share. Sir, congratulations for a wonderful performance in the midst of a prolonged boom in the automobile industry worldwide. There is a news that government of Tamil Nadu has approved PCBL new project of rupees 600 crores. I am very much keen to know about the status of the project and shall be grateful to hear it from you. Sir, I got some news from share market that PCBL is also planning to raise equity capital by another rupees 400 to 500 crores 2020-21. Sir, is it fact? We the shareholders are very sorry, sir. Sir, I am very happy that last year 2019 you had made very good factory visit at Durgapur. Before I close, I would like to say that I will be happy to see the company, a debt-free company. Many companies are doing this these days. Before I close, I want to offer my special thanks to Mr. Kaushik Roy, MD, who run the company very nicely. I would offer my grateful thanks to the secretarial team for their help and assistance. With this observation, I am closing here with thanks to all. Hello, Mr. Venkat. Hello.
Yes, yes.
আমি তো মিস্টার রায়ের সঙ্গে অনেকবার কৌশিক রায়ের সঙ্গে দেয়ার সেভারাল টাইম যেহেতু ওনার সঙ্গে মিট করেছে না সরি টু সে বাট নেভার কোনোদিন আমার সঙ্গে দেখা হয়নি সরি আই এম সরি টু সে ডোন্ট টেক ইট আদারওয়াইজ
না আর কোনো পয়েন্ট আছে আপনার?
নো 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 থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ
থ্যাংক ইউ মিস্টার কুন্ডু।
ওকে
These were the 8 registered speakers who've spoken. I'll now respond to the questions raised. All of you have been very kind in your compliments to the company and the management. Thank you very much for that. It is your encouragement and appreciation that keeps us going. Mr. Kundu talked about import from China and how do we become Atmanirbhar in terms of stopping imports from China. Well, as far as we are concerned, we can only be more and more competitive, and we hope our customers stop importing. That will be very good for us and everyone. Many of you asked about the impact of COVID. Well, 1.5 months, virtually 2 months, there were no operations. And it was a negative impact on production. Virtually in the whole of April, there was no production. In May, there was some production. June onwards, it started picking up. So we've lost a fair bit of time. Prices are not the best, and the whole auto sector is going through a little bit of a challenge. Therefore, we will have challenging times this year. But under the circumstances, we have embarked upon a very significant cost savings exercise, which is well underway, such that we can actually have the highest profits that we can. Not highest from ever perspective, but highest under the circumstances. Mr. Ujjwal Chakravarti asked the same question, but I think we've got to be mentally prepared that this is going to be a challenging year. Mr. Tamal Majumdar, as always, is brilliant with his analysis. And over several years, I have learned to appreciate his analysis more and more, and I look forward to that. We are trying our best to improve exports, but the whole world is hit by the pandemic. So I think there are issues, even though volumes for the last month have been fairly decent. Let us see how far we can sustain that. Mr. Gatani spoke about St. Xavier's College. This is really a Phillips Carbon platform, and I'm not sure we should be talking about St. Xavier's College. And we are very cognizant to make sure that no statutory dues are outstanding at any point in time. This is something that we make every effort, and every compliance is done completely on time and in accordance with law. Mr. Madhusudan Day asked about the Belgium plant, the Belgium R&D Center. Well, Belgium R&D Center was going to be formally inaugurated in May, but the inauguration could not happen because of the pandemic. It is spread over 7,000 square meters. It has 5 well-equipped advanced laboratories. It's got some very strong engineers, and we do hope that sooner rather than later we will get some very interesting discoveries and adaptations from this facility. Mr. Manoj Gupta talked about the high dividends. He also talked about COVID for Calcutta. As far as I'm concerned, I don't look at myself purely as Calcutta. Though I live in Calcutta, our company is headquartered in Calcutta. I look at myself as an Indian. And for me, it's about the whole country. And we have, as a group, spent very huge amounts on COVID. We've spent close to 70 crores in terms of fighting the COVID and contributing towards COVID in different forums. Mr. Kundu talked about the project in Tamil Nadu. Yes, it's a reality, but this is something that we are going slow on at this point in time, simply because of the pandemic. We don't want to hasten into expanding and then finding we have capacity which we can't sell. So everything is in place. We can start work on the plant the moment this pandemic slows down and stops. But yes, that is the next location, and that is where we will be setting up our next plant. You also talked about equity raising plan. As of now, the board has not discussed any plans to raise equity. However, this is something that may be considered at some stage, but there has been no plan discussed so far. I thank you all for your participation. I thank you for your positivity, and I thank you for your good wishes. I look forward to your support as we embark upon the next 60 years of our journey. Thank you very much. The voting results will be made available within 48 hours from the conclusion of the AGM and will be posted on the company's website at www.pcbllimited.com. Once again, thank you so much for attending the AGM. I declare the 59th Annual General Meeting closed. Thank you. Stay well, stay safe.